Very sad news indeed. 30 people have been killed in the stampede that happened just before dawn at the Mahakumbh venue in Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj. Just what went wrong in this enormous gathering? What were the circumstances in which this tragedy took place? I'm joined by my colleague Sikta, who's been tracking all of the developments. Sikta, thanks very much for being with us. Is there a real worry at this stage that that number of 30 could go up given the injuries and the condition of several of the others who are in hospital?
Well, the government, Vishnu, is tight-lipped about the number of casualties. Till very late this evening, they, in fact, spoke to the media, and that's when the figures of 30 came out. Till then, we had no idea how many casualties, how many are serious, what happened to them, what was the reason of this stampede and this unfortunate accident. So those are the details which have been conveyed to us through the government sources and government press conferences. So there are still few people who are undergoing treatment. So let's hope for the best that the numbers just stop at that. Because in the morning when I came here, I'm at the Sangam Ghat, Vishnu, and the Sangam nose is just few meters away from where I am. A huge crowd had converged here. And this is the path which was barricaded for the Siyars, for the Akharas to proceed for their Amrit Snan, and that's when the barricades were being pushed. Everybody was losing their cool. The people who had stayed overnight wanted to take their holy dip the moment the morning broke, and they didn't want to wait for their turn, because if my cameras can show you, that's the path where still people are still going for their holy dip, Vishnu, because the auspicious Muhurat is still on for the holy dip. So people are still walking in for their holy dip. So with that kind of devotion, that kind of belief, they were here and they didn't want to waste any time at Sangam, and that's when they were losing the cool. And the authorities, who were expecting 10 crore people at this place, you can imagine 10 crore, it is much more than the population of Prayagraj. And for one holy dip, that 10 crore people had converged here. So that was a big challenge, which had unfortunately started with an unfortunate tragedy. And then luckily, when the sadhus backed out for their snan, is when things started falling in place for the district and the administration.
Just be with us. We've got our colleague Aishwarya Jain also tracking us. Aishwarya, you're at the hospital. Do we have any detail on the condition of those who've been injured?
Well, almost 90 people got injured, and the numbers can go up because since last 4-5 hours, I've been reporting from this hospital, and what I'm witnessing is constantly there are ambulances that are passing by, and the family members who have lost their loved ones are trying to find out, they are trying to identify their relatives, because the dead bodies were kept at this hospital, and this is the nearest one, and the injured were taken to just not this Motilal Nehru Medical College, but to other hospitals as well, which are nearby this area, and also, of course, the serious ones were taken to Banaras and to Lucknow as well. But certainly, as I'm speaking, let me also show you these visuals. This is the Motilal Nehru Medical College, and people are still trying to find out their loved ones. As far as the bodies are concerned, those are identifying. They are taking them. Of course, it's just not from Uttar Pradesh, but also from different parts of the country where devotees came from. These are the family members who have been sitting since morning, and they are waiting to have some information. Remember, it was the DIG who stated that it will be the helpline numbers which will also be issued. Some of the family members are right here. They are just waiting for some confirmation. If I'll directly go across to some of the devotees who came from large numbers. आप लोग कितनी बजे से यहाँ पर इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
हम लोग लगभग 2 बजे हो 2 बजे से लगभग
2 बजे से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. तो कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली अभी तक आप लोगों को? कुछ खबर?
कुछ खबर नहीं, कोई खबर हम लोग को नहीं मिल पाया.
कौन आप लोगों का खोया था वहाँ पर और क्या कुछ हुआ था?
वो वहाँ गई थी, वहाँ से जब नहीं मिल रही थी तो हम लोग क्या करें, पता लगा रहे हैं हॉस्पिटल वगैरह में, ये पता लगा कि है तो यहाँ पर हम लोग आ रहे हैं, आकर के पहचान रहे हैं ये, लेकिन पहचान में नहीं आ रही है।
पहचान में नहीं आ पा रहे। कौन था आपका परिजन में?
हमारा पतो ही लगे ये किसी बड़े, हम बड़े भाई साहब का लड़के की औरत थी, पतो ही बोलती है हम लोग देहाती भाषा में, यही पतो।
There's also an individual from Amritsar who is also waiting from morning and he's also not able to find out his loved one. आप अमृतसर से आए?
जी अमृतसर
आपकी कौन परिजन खोया है? कब आप संगम घाट पर गए थे?
से। रात में कोई 2:30 से 3 बजे।
3 बजे गए थे।
हाँ जी।
कौन था आपके साथ?
हम आप 22 आदमी आए थे वहाँ से कुंभ नहाने के लिए अपने कॉलोनी से। उसमें हमारे घर वाली और 2 मियाँ बीवी जो हमारे गली का है वो लापता है, अभी तक नहीं मिल रहा है।
अभी तक नहीं मिले हैं आपके। तो आपने यहाँ पर किसी ऑफिसर से या फिर किसी डॉक्टर से पूछताछ करने की कोशिश की?
हाँ वो अस्पताल में जो है वहाँ पर गया हूँ देखने, तो वहाँ मरीज है मगर उसमें कोई नहीं है।
जब भगदड़ हुई थी आप भी वहीं पर मौजूद थे?
भगदड़ कब हुआ हमने देखा नहीं सर।
हाँ। तो आपके परिजन वहाँ पर थे उस वक्त?
हम सब साथ में थे 3 बजे तक।
3 बजे तक।
उसके बाद जब हम उसको खोजने लगे न, तो खोजते खोजते अभी तक नहीं पता लग रहा है कि कहाँ है नहीं है।
So you heard still these people are waiting at the hospital and they are unable to find out their loved ones, waiting for some information to come in from inside the hospital. They are going after hour and hour to get those people identified because ambulances are still on the way. There were green corridors which had been established yesterday as the DIG mentioned, but of course, the UP government claims that situation is right now under control. Massive security is in place. The holy dip had resumed since afternoon, but this unfortunate stampede that broke out is something that these family members can only feel of.
It is terrible. Sikta, has the administration changed any rules, done anything to ensure that this sort of thing doesn't happen again?
Well, Vishnu, since morning there have been announcements. You know what happens when people walk into this fair, this Kumbh Mela? They take the holy dip, they want to hang around, absorb the ambience and just be around. So they gather in big groups, they come in large groups from their villages, from their cities, and they want to be around at ashrams and akharas. So this is one thing which I have seen the change today, that administration is requesting and in fact making sure that people leave the Mela Kshetra, the Mela area, the moment they take their dip and they don't hang around here. If they're living here in a tent, in some accommodation, that's okay. But if you're not living here, you're not you don't have any accommodation within the Mela Kshetra, then you need to go out of this area. So that has been taken care of today, which I think should have been taken care from day one. And also the entry and exit points which these pilgrims have to follow has to be followed strictly, which I saw that is being implemented for the Snan, because there is one particular entry and one particular exit points for the Snans which was not being followed. So that has been followed strictly, and that's why things are much calmer today than what it was in the morning, Vishnu.